Want to know how to react to a message in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this chat icon right here. So you can just simply select your friend, and your friend's chat should open like this with their theme or appearance. So once that is done, you can just simply see messages right here, and you can just simply hold any message. So you can either hold your own message, or you can either hold your friend's message bubble. Just simply hold on it. So once you have held on your message, you should be seeing these reactions popping up. So once these pop up, you can just simply select any one of these, or you can just simply select this plus icon right here to open up more reactions. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you react to your messages in Messenger. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.